How to bold text in Facebook post. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, there's no way for you to write in bold from the Facebook app itself. Say for example, if I wanted to write this post right here, there's no way for me to change the font of this post from the Facebook app. However, there's an easy workaround that you can use, from which you want to select all of the post and then copy it, and then you go ahead, open up any browser you have, and you search for bold text generator. As you can see, there's a lot of options right here that you can choose from. That they basically all do the same work. So pick and choose whichever one you want. It doesn't matter. For example, I'm going to choose this random one right here. And what you need to do here is you need to paste your post, and the website will automatically generate the same post in bold text with different fonts that you can choose from. So you can go through them. There's a lot of ones right here. Go through them and pick and choose whichever one you want. Say for example, I'm going to choose this random one because I like it better than the others. Once you have copied it, you need to go back to the same post. You need to select all of the post and paste it here instead. And there you have it. This is how you can type bold text in a Facebook post. Then you can continue to edit your post as you usually do by adding these stuff right here. So yeah, that was it for this video. That's how you can type bold text in Facebook post. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.